Children, in this video we are going to learn about Avogadro law. Among the gas laws, this is the fourth law. First law is Boyle's law, second law is Charles' law, third law is Gay-Lussac law, and the fourth law is Avogadro law, given by the scientist called Avogadro. He combined, that is, volume and amount, volume and amount relationship. So he combined, to give this law, he combined, Avogadro combined Gay-Lussac law, that is the third gas laws, and John Dalton's atomic theory. So based upon the variables, number of moles, volume, pressure, temperature, pressure and volume kept constant, and the relationship between volume and the number of moles. Number of moles is also, it is called as amount. So what is the law regarding this Avogadro? What is the law behind? Equal volumes of all gases under the same conditions of pressure contain, temperature and pressure contain same number of molecules. Whatever the gas may be, different gases contain in the container, whatever may be O2, N2, CO2, equal volumes, whatever the gas may be, but it contains equal number of molecules. That was given by Avogadro. Gases may be different, but number of molecules are same. So pressure and temperature kept constant, volume directly proportional to number of moles, that is V directly proportional to N. V is equal to, removing the proportionality sign, K into N. So this can be written as V by N equals to K. V means volume, N means number of moles. V by N equals to K, or V is equal to K into N. Here N we can keep it as 1 mole. If N is equal to 1 mole, for 1 mole, maybe it is an atom, ion or molecules, its Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. For small n, what we can write? Small m by capital M. Small m means given mass. Capital M means molar mass. For example, take oxygen molecule. Take oxygen molecule. Its given mass is 64 gram. For oxygen, molar mass is 32. 16 into 32 is equal to 2 moles. So 64 gram of oxygen contains 2 moles. So this also can be written as V equals to K into, instead of that N we can write a small m by capital M, that is given by mass by molar mass, that is capital M equals to K into small m by V. Small m by V is density. Therefore, we can write as capital M is equal to K into D. This is from Avogadro law. So what is meant by Avogadro law? Equal volumes of all gases contains equal number of molecules at the same temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure kept constant, volume directly proportional to number of moles. If volume increases, number of moles increases. If volume decreases, number of moles get decreased. This was given by Avogadro, that is why it is called as Avogadro law.